Alright, so this is a wooden canvas you can see here, and we're going to paint a particular scenery. So it's a monochromatic color on the wood, and if I just show you, this is DIY wood, simple piece. Alright, so let's draw the sun in a bigger proportion in the sky. Okay, so when you draw the sun, try to make it as round as possible and little bit bigger proportion. Okay, taking the red color because it's the sunset scenery. Okay, taking more red color. Alright, then red is going to be mixed up with the yellow color, so I'm trying to make a shadow. There's the transitions from the red to the yellow color combinations. Okay, just putting yellow in the bottom. We can see the mixed up of the colors here. Adding little bit water just to show the smooth transitions of the colors here. And putting bright yellow at the bottom. Okay, so there's the sun. Now we're just going to put a little bit reflections here. Just put something like this on the spot. Okay, so drawing very fast like here. Awesome. Also taking the red color on the side. Let's see the red color on this side. Adding some water so that the color combinations looks good. Okay, mixing up the transitions. All right. So there's, you can see the reflections here. Maybe little darker, or just putting at the border. Okay. All right. Now we are going to put the complete, the dividations of the ground level and the horizon. So I'm just drawing a straight line, which is the black line, here. and dividing the whole horizon. Okay, little bit ups and downs near the sun. You can see I'm just putting with my brush strokes. Okay, making it a realistic effects. So you can see that the drawing progress is very fast. All right. For the trees, I'm going to draw, you know, 3 lines. Okay, this is the first one. Then I'm going to have the second one here. And the other one is going to be the separate in this position. Okay. And the details, I'm going to put the branches like this. So you can see the branches. All right. All right. Okay, and if you like to show some birds are flying, then you can just draw like this. Okay. Some birds are flying in the horizon. All right. And now finally we're going to put some clouds in the sky. Although this is a desert climate, but it must have some clouds. So let's put the reflections on the here. So there's the reflections. Okay, some borders maybe, I don't know. We need a dark red color to define the borders here. So let's take the dark red color from the previous one and define the sun. Very nice way to separate, just putting a nice border. Okay, all right, and putting a little bit here. Okay, so the sun is clearly visible. Now only one thing is left, and that's the the clouds formations. So in that case we are going to draw a special types of clouds here. So usually the clouds looks like a white color, so I'm going to put the white color in impact, taking the color and putting the straight lines like this one. Then I'm putting the you can see here some curved lines on top, taking some waters to blend it. Okay, some straight lines on top. So there's the one cloud here, you can see. Next one you can see here. Okay, taking the water. And another clouds you can see here. All right, so this is the clouds in the horizon. Just mixing some waters, and the bottom part I'm just putting it in a smaller shade so that there's the merge with the nature. Okay, merging with the nature, the bottom part. All right, little bit white borders on top, you can see here. There's the clouds drawing, and also little white here on the ground, you can see. Okay, so maybe the drawing becomes a little bit lengthy, but you can see the whole things because I didn't edit or doing anything faster, doing nothing the fast track. So everything I did here is just in a real time, so you can easily understand the timing and how did I make it, all the drawings. Okay, so there's the idea. Looks good, very simple scenery, you can learn it. So I did it only in 12 to 13 minutes. That's not a pretty big time. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icons for more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.